Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a delicious olive dip. It's perfect for gathering and Christmas nights. At the end, I hope you enjoy it. Let's make it together. First, I'm adding some crunchy walnuts to the bowl. After that, I'm adding fresh herbs. Time for the olives. I use jalapeno stuffed ones. They're a little spicy and make this dip extra delicious. Now I'm adding to crushed garlic cloves to extra flavor. Next, I'm adding the cream cheese to make it creamy and smooth. And now just a pinch of salt, some black pepper and a little olive oil. And now let's blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Now I gently hollow out the red pointed chili peppers and fill them with this delicious olive dip. Simply put the dip into a plastic bag. Snip a small hole at the tip and carefully squeeze it into your hollowed out peppers. Don't forget to clean them and remove the top first. If it's tricky, you can fill the peppers into parts or even use a spoon to scoop the dip inside. You can slice the stuffed peppers with a sharp knife. Cut about half a centimeter thick, not too thin, not too thick. Wipe the knife with a damp cloth after each cut. You can also use the on salads. This olive dip works perfectly as a tasty appetizer plate, and it's so delicious. It's great on salads too. If you enjoyed this easy Christmas olive dip, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you'd serve it, and share it with your friends. With love from my kitchen to yours. It's time to taste. Mmm. Mmm. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.